Hello everyone, my name is P. Sanjul, Diploma of Mechatronics Engineering in Nttf Vellore. I am here to share about the small talk about graphics card. First of all, what is graphics? Graphics is nothing but it is a regular computing of monitor. It's called as a graphics. And graphics, the name where this comes from? The name it is derived from word graphico in Greek mythology. In Greek, they say as a graphico. Okay, what is graphics card? Graphics card is nothing but often known as a video adapter card or video card. Graphic card is a type of expression card that processes the graphical output in display. And next, when it was invented, IBM. The full form of IBM is International Business Machine. Was invented the first two video cards. The first video card name is MDA, monochrome graphics adapter. Monochrome display adapter, and CGA, color graphics adapter. And MDA has a 4 kilobyte video memory, and CGA has a 14 kilobyte video memory. And next, NVIDIA launched the first graphics card. The model name is GeForce 256. Was marketed for world first GPU with the world first GPU, and they consider as this is the first single chip microprocessor. First single chip GPU was in there. And next we are going into the components. First component name is GPU. The full form of GPU is graphical processing unit. Second is VRAM, and third is VBIOS, and fourth is motherboard interface, and fifth is output. Next, let's get into the GPU. The full form of GPU is graphical processing unit. It's nothing but it is responsible for calculating the image in a computer, which can be displayed on a monitor. It is the work of GPU. Inside of GPU, they were used in the 11.1 billion of transistors. They were used in the GPU. The second component name is VRAM, or we call it as a video random access memory. It is a sort of the cache analyzed by the GPU, hold the massive amount of data required for the graphics and other application. All data saved in VRAM. VRAM is used to give the external support to the GPU. And the third component name is motherboard interface. What is motherboard interface? It's nothing but it is the connection which we can connect the graphics card in the motherboard. In 1970 now only they have a lot of connection there, but we are using the AGP and PCI. But nowadays only they are not using also AGP. Now they shifted into the PSI Express. Currently motherboards are using it that. And the fourth component name is cooling system. Cooling system is nothing but whenever the graphics card consumes a lot of electricity, which it converted into the heat. If heat not disappeared, the graphics card could get damaged and overheated also. Nowadays graphics card will incorporate with the cooling system to reduce the heat and is due to the somewhere health somewhere. And fifth common name is VBIOS. VBIOS nothing but video basic input and output. The video BIOS is like the BIOS, provide a set of video related information that program and that can be used to access the graphics card, as well as the maintaining the video specific setting such as the card and the clock speeds like the DRAM types, and the fan speed control and performance is based on the VBIOS. And output is considered as a component, but output is nothing but we can connect the graphics card with the external components such as like HDMI cable, VGA, pen drive, and connecting slot like that. Manufacturing company of graphics card. The first company is NVIDIA, second is Intel, and third ASUS, and fourth AMD. AMD is full form of AMD is Advanced Micro Device. The mainly graphics card used for three things, and first is gaming, and second is 3D modeling and CAD like that, and third is video editing. And now, how many GB requires to play a game? 8 GB was considered as to enough to run the modern games on medium high setting. Games like GTA, Uncharted, Among Us, Thief, so Amazing Spider-Man like that. And we can do a 3D modeling also in the 4 GB RAM graphics card, and we can edit also. But it will not give the more performance because we consider as a 4 GB graphics card like that. For high-end games, 8 GB graphics card was considered as to enough to play the high-end games. For example, you're going to buy a graphics card. After buying the graphics card, you have to test in the computer. You have to test in the PC. Then you will test the 3 type of games. The one is Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Red Dead Redemption and Cyberpunk 2027. These are the games you use to test the graphics card, how much performance is given to play, and how much time to take the rendering the performance, and how much time to take the rendering the video editing and 3D modeling like that. Without graphics card, we can ask me, without graphics card you can play the game. Yes, we can play with the help of CPU. We can play with the help of CPU, but it will not give the more performance what graphics card give like that. I say no, 8 GB without graphics card we can't play the game. Without graphics card we can play the game, but it will show the very poor reflection and poor depth of field and no glow surrounding us. For example, I am running in the, for example, consider I am running in the road. I am running before of the road. The structure, the front of my structure consider like a tree. In making, when I am passing the front of the tree. It will not before of that. It was made. And when I am passing, the tree will be making. This is the problem. What we are not using the graphics card in that. Advantages of graphics card. The first is motion blur. These techniques used to obey the fast motion. The next is texture mapping. These techniques allows the adding the extra effect on surface without any adding the complexity. And next is lens flare. This technique allows producing the lightning from same effect as the lightning emitting from as the lecture. Fresnel effect. This technique allows to the shadow and reflection over an object to show the different type of angle. I told you application of graphics card. The first is painting program, 3D modeling and designing, and that is for animating. This all about the graphics card. I am still in small talk. Thank you.